Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add auto captions in your video by using InShot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app here. Now tap on new and then select the video that you want to add, and here tap on the check mark. In here tap on text and then tap on caption. Then you guys can find out video option. After tapping on it, you guys will find out auto caption in your video, and then tap on the text here. You guys can customize the text and you guys can also choose the text style. Now add animations on it. You guys can also add loops on this text, and in here you guys can also customize the spacing between the words in your text. You guys can also make it bigger. And now let's tap on the check mark. Now let's watch this video. So this is how you guys can add auto captions in your video by using InShot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.